Hi everyone, this is Debbie Henderson from Debbie's Designs. Welcome to a live video. This is actually a spur of the moment thing that I decided at the last second to do for you today. I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the August paper pumpkin kit. I'm just going to give it a few more seconds for everybody to join me. Hello everyone, I can see you coming on. So just an announcement too that I'll be back on Monday with my monthly paper pumpkin alternative projects. But tonight I just want to show you how to assemble the kit itself. And I want to talk a little bit about when you flip over the back of the brochure, you'll see that we had the option of purchasing the Gift of Fall add-on bundle tonight to go with your kit, and I'm actually using that tonight. And then next month, for the month of September, we have our annual Halloween kit coming. So I'm really excited about that. So what I'm doing tonight, I've already gone ahead and assembled the two little gift bags that came with the kit. We actually get 6 gift bags. What I want to do is create 2 cards with the add-on bundle that will coordinate with each bag. So I'm going to show, and I'm doing the exact same tag that you see on each bag, and I'm going to actually glue it on the card. So the add-on bundle is these cute little cards. There's 2 designs. Let me dig them out so you can see them. These are the 2 designs. Now, after the video tonight, I'm actually going to pick a winner to win 4 of these cards that I'll mail to you. And I can't ask you guys to do something, but you know how I pick a name. You should know by now. And I'm sure some of you will tell other people in your comments. Tell everyone how they can win a set of these cards. I don't want to take the chance of Facebook removing my video because I begged you to do something. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is the tag that coordinates with this bag. I'm using the card with the pretty peacock background. This is from the add-on bundle. Now I'm trying to remember, I've used quite a few of my cards. Let me see, I think there's 24. Yeah, there's 24 of these cards in the add-on bundle for $10. And if you're interested in ordering that, the item number is 152885. So these are the components that I'm using. We've got the designer paper tag. We've got the Mary Merlot circle. And then we've got the label, 2 of the die cut leaves, 2 of these branches, and 1 of the leaf. These are all from the kit. They're all die cut and very simple to use. And we even get 2 ribbons that came with our kit this month. So I'm going to actually wrap the twine around the circle 3 times. And then I'm going to tie a bow on the very end. I'm hoping I left myself enough there to tie the bow with. Actually, you know what's easier? I just realized this. I actually ended up gluing the circle first and then tying the twine. Why didn't I think of that? I made these a couple days ago and I already forgot that I had actually glued that on first. So let's try this again. So 3 times, much easier. So now I'm going to tie the bow. I'm going to show you guys too, I've already done my alternative projects for my Facebook Live on Monday. I've already finished up my kit with a lot of alternative projects. And look what I have left. This is all I have left, but I still have a lot of die cuts that I could make a few cards with. There is so much in our kit this time. Okay, that's going to go right there. I'm going to go ahead and stamp. Now the ink of choice is Mary Merlot. That was included. I'm going to bring out my big ink pad and go ahead and stamp the sentiment that says Grateful for family like you. We have stamping dimensionals that came with the kit. We have glue dots. We have all of these sequins. Now I'm all done with my kit and I still have all of these sequins left over. So much in our kit. I love when we have extras so we can go ahead and create alternative projects. Now the sentiment's going to go right over the circle. Next, instead of using the little glue dots to make this quicker, I'm going to use my liquid glue. Just tuck in the little branch, one of the leaves, another branch that's going to go on the bottom, another leaf. Actually, I'm going to glue this one. This is like a vellum leaf. They're so pretty. It's going to go right here. And then we've got one more of these. So you can see how quick these are to put together. Now I'm going to thread the ribbon through the hole. Now normally if you do it for the bag, you're going to tie it around the handle of the bag. But because I'm gluing this one on a card, I'm going to do the bow right at the top. And then I'm just going to glue this to the front of the card. Now let me make my little loops a little smaller. This one here just wants to stretch. Okay. Let me cut these at an angle. And now what I'm going to do is add stamping dimensionals to the back. And I hate to do this, but I'm going to cover this pretty wreath on the card because, again, I want to match the card itself. So I'm going to glue this right over the wreath, and I'm actually going to glue it at an angle. So there's my coordinating card and gift bag. So there's number one, and I'm going to create one more. And then I'm going to show you some cards that I made. Oh, I forgot to show you the envelopes that come with the add-on bundle. Aren't these pretty? They're all the same. Okay, bag number 2 is this one. There's a little bit of stamping on this one. Now what I want to do is actually add my tag to the front of the card, but I want to shorten it up a little bit. I'm not going to use the hole in the tag on this one. So I'm going to bring this in and cut. Let me see, that's about 3/4, a little bit less than 3/4 of an inch. We're going to stamp the little branch image right at the bottom. And while I have the ink out, let me go ahead and do the sentiment. And this one says, "Thank you for friends like you." Are thankful for friends like you. And then I have a bow that I made with the ribbon. We're using the circle, the pre-printed circle, one of each branch, and then, oh, you know what? I forgot to put sequins on my first one too. We'll have to go in and add sequins. And then we're adding this to the card. So I'm going to again use stamping dimensionals to glue down the tag. And I have a lot of stamping dimensionals left over from using my kit also. So we have a ton of additional supplies. Okay, so I'm gonna add, this time I'm gonna add the tag nice and straight and vertical. So you see why I cut off some of it. I wanted some of the yellow to peek at the top and some of the Mary Merlot to peek at the top. Now on this one, we have some twine in the background. So all I did, and I did not read the directions, I wrapped around the biggest part of my hand about 4 times. And then all I did was sit this right on top of my circle, just like that. And I'm trying to tuck in the ends. I'm going to add 4 dimensionals only because I want some of the twine to stick to the dimensionals. So now I'm going to use this and stick that right on top of the twine, just like that. Just smack it down. Now we're going to glue the branch by tucking it in. Same with the other 2 branches. Well, this one's a little too long. Let me just snip the end of it. And then we've got one more. So that one goes there. Now I'm going to bring in my glue dots to glue the ribbon. Now because the ribbon is at the top on my gift bag, oops, I didn't grab the glue dot. I'm also going to add the ribbon up here somewhere, right there. And then all I have left to do is to add some snail and glue this to my card. Now I need to add some bling to both of these cards. So we have 2 sizes. I'm going to add the bling exactly where I added on my tags for the gift bags, because I want everything to match. I'm a matchy-matchy kind of person. Okay, so I just added 2 on this one and just 1. You know, I don't think I added enough on this one. Let me add some more. I'm gonna do 1 right in the leaves, a little tiny one, because I've got all of these to spare, so I might as well use them. And let me see, we'll add some more to this one also. I don't know why, I kind of was worried about not having enough, I think, and I didn't use them as much as I should have. So let's bring this one back in. Let's see, we got 1 there, just a few more. Whoops, that one needs to go down here. Okay, there's my projects. So again, we have this bag with the matching coordinating card, and the same with this one. Now, if you guys ordered the add-on bundle and didn't take a peek at the back, there's 3 card samples right here. I've gone ahead and made those for you, just so you can take a look at them. Let me see if I can arrange these so everybody can see the bags along with the card. And I'm going to show you the cards that I made. So this is the first one. So what they did is they took the large tag and made it a lot smaller. It's about 1/4 of an inch wide, and then just added the die cuts and the sentiment. On this one, we kept the wreath image that's pre-printed, just added a few leaves. Now I ran out of branches, so I took one of these and flipped it over to the white side, and then just added a bow and a little sentiment. This one, I added 3 of these vellum die cuts. So 1, 2, and 3, a few of the branches, a strip of ribbon going across, and the sentiment. And then I made this one on my own, which I thought was pretty neat. So what I did, let me bring in my scrap. I used the little scrap piece that came with the die cuts, and I used the leaf punch to punch out my own leaves. And then I added 2 of the vellum leaves. And I layered both of the banners with Stampin' Dimensionals. So there's a few more ideas for you. And don't forget to join me on Monday for my paper pumpkin alternative projects. I think I go on at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. I can't remember. I'll post it anyway to remind you guys. So thanks so much for joining me for my spur of the moment video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you guys are enjoying your kit. And reminder to subscribe by September 10th for the September kit. Have a good night, everyone. I'll see you on Friday for my Friday Folds class.